We need the forecasts because of the wider implications for the energy system. If there's more than enough wind power in the grid, then prices are getting down. And if we know that in advance, then we can adjust our behavior according to it. I can charge my electric car when there's a surplus of energy. For industry, that's the same thing. For establishing that market price, we actually need forecasts what's happening tomorrow in the grid. We also need the forecasts for the balancing, so for the intra-hour, because forecasts day ahead, meteorologically, as you know, are not always perfect. There can be some deviations from the day ahead forecast that we then need to cover in the intraday and balancing markets. We're also going way beyond day-ahead forecasts, all the way into seasonal forecasts, and can establish the needs for example, water in hydropower basins. I think the unique thing about the collaboration in the IEA task is that, first of all, it's a global group. We're having 12 countries, soon more, and we're having from all different sectors, so from the meteorology all the way to the end users, everyone together in a room, and they share quite openly in the discussions what are the bottlenecks for further implementation, how can we make forecasts better, how can we use the forecasts better, how can we get the most value out of the forecasts. The new thing that we're looking at is AI weather predictions. This is a field that didn't exist 5 years ago. ECMWF, the European Center, did quite some work on it. And what we're seeing is that these forecasts can be run on a much smaller computer in much quicker time. I've even heard voices saying in 5 years' time, numerical weather prediction as we know it on supercomputers in national weather centers is only used for training the AI models. And with those AI models, we can see much quicker turnaround in terms of how much there's coming, but also we see already for some horizons better performance than from the classical numerical weather prediction models. Since this is such a big topic, we are inviting to a workshop on AI weather prediction in April or May in Paris.